You've been around for a few years now. What is it you like about sprint car racing and why?
Oh, I just love the power of them and the enjoyment with other drivers and meeting people.
What did you learn from last season that you can take into the 2013-14 AHG Sprint Car Series?
Yeah, we've been running an Eagle car. Setup was a big thing last year, so yeah, hopefully this year we can go into it and the car will be a lot better.
Are you guys changing anything as far as equipment goes this season?
No, we're pretty much sticking with the Eagle, and we've got a couple of spare cars, which is a J&J and an older Eagle, so we're just sticking with what we know.
What do you like most about the AHG series?
Oh, it's just great. Just all the people that are involved are really nice people, and yeah, everyone gets on, all the drivers, and yeah, I reckon, and good sponsorship, of course. So yeah, it's really good.
What do you like about the Perth Motorplex, and what's your biggest challenge as far as that track goes, as opposed to Bunbury Raceway?
Yeah, Kwinana's great, wide open, really well done venue. I mean, it's the best in Australia. Yeah, good crowds, yeah, good racing, I suppose, all over.
And what about Bunbury?
Bunbury, I haven't done a lot of Bunbury, a couple of rounds in the 360, but yeah, hopefully we'll get down with the Open and yeah, give it a shot.
Great. What are your realistic goals for the season, and how do you plan on achieving them?
Yeah, to run top 10 would be great, consistently. I don't do a lot of racing, just a lot of family time at the moment, but hopefully I can do a bit more this year, and yeah, if I can run top 10 I'll be really happy.